Hello guys, today I'm going to demonstrate you how you can use your MPU-6050 sensor as a game controller. So for that I've created a very simple game in which you can see an aircraft is flying, and I'm having this setup where I'm using an ESP32 device with MPU-6050 sensor, and I'm for connection I'm using Bluetooth interface. And as you can see, my aircraft is hovering above sea level now. So I'm going to tilt now to demonstrate you how you can control that. So you can see the aircraft is now tilting. So also you can use it to slew your aircraft with this motion. You can choose its knob, and as this motion you can tilt the aircraft in either direction. So yeah, I'm using this MPU-6050 sensor for for demonstrating the motion. Thanks for watching.